Hello everyone, welcome back to A to Z Healthcare channel. We are going to explore a traditional natural cure for constipation that has been used for centuries. Castor oil. All you need to know about using castor oil to treat constipation will be covered in this video. But first, let's understand what constipation is. Constipation can cause inconvenience and discomfort. Constipation is characterized by infrequent or difficult to pass stools. Less than 3 bowels motion per week is the conventional definition of constipation. However, everyone has a varied schedule for using the toilet. Some people have multiple bowel motions daily, while others only have one or maybe one every other day. Any decrease in bowel movements that's out of the norm for you may be a sign of constipation. But thankfully, natural remedies like castor oil, which has strong laxative effects, are available to us. Before we dive in, let's understand what castor oil is and how it works. Segment 1. What is castor oil? Ricinus communis, the scientific name for the castor plant, is the source of castor oil. It has a strong smell and is a thick yellowish liquid, though its main use is as a laxative. Castor oil has several other advantages for general health and well-being. Segment 2. How does castor oil work in constipation? People have used this oil as a laxative for thousands of years. Researchers have shown that the primary fatty acid in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, connects to receptors on the smooth muscle cells in your intestines, like other stimulant laxatives. Ricinoleic acid induces the muscles in these areas to contract and push out stools after it connects to these receptors. There is evidence that castor oil relieves constipation rapidly and effectively. Using castor oil alleviated constipation symptoms and decreased straining. According to a 2011 research, trusted sources of older adults with chronic constipation. Segment 3. How to use castor oil. Let's now discuss using castor oil to relieve constipation. The most popular approach is to take it orally. To being, combine 1 or 2 tablespoons of castor oil with a glass of warm water or juice. Remember that castor oil has a strong flavor, so you might wish to cover it up with some honey or lemon juice. Once mixed, drink the solution on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Segment 4. Safety concerns. Although most adults can safely use castor oil, it's important to use it appropriately. Pregnant women, children, and individuals with certain medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before using castor oil. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.